Gravity SMTP is the go-to solution if you're looking for a way to reliably send emails from your WordPress site. Gravity SMTP integrates with SendGrid, Brevo, MailChimp, Gmail, Outlook, and many more transactional email services to make sure your emails reach their target audience. And setup is a breeze with an intuitive setup wizard and the option to easily transfer your data from WP Mail SMTP to Gravity SMTP with the built-in migration tool. Once you're set up, you'll be able to monitor your email traffic at a glance using the SMTP dashboard. Track valuable stats such as the number of emails sent and overall open rates. Additionally, the email log gives you a record of all emails sent and lets you see at a glance the date the message was sent and whether or not the email was opened. You also have the option to resend the email. Gravity SMTP also includes an alerts feature so you can be notified if an email fails to send. You can set up webhook alerts to receive notifications through services like Slack, or enable SMS via Twilio alerts to receive SMS text messages, a crucial feature for sites sending mission-critical emails. Gravity SMTP is available for free with the Gravity Forms Elite or Nonprofit license. Get started today.